Hello and welcome back to another exciting episode. Today we're going to do another small but mighty little unboxing. And that is the USB 3.0 and USB-C card reader. Now, it does have a little warning here that do not use the product once damaged. Avoid drops, impacts, extrusions. Not exactly sure what an extrusion is, but you need to avoid that. Keep the product away from water, fire, flammable gas, and corrosive liquid. So don't fart around it, I guess. And to avoid danger of suffocation, keep the product away from babies and children. Good to know. Alrighty. So, ST card reader. And that's about it on the box. Okay, let's open this thing up. It does have security tape, which is always a bear to get off. There we go. Yeah, they don't make this easy. Okay, here we go. Dun, dun, dun. Oh, that's a pretty little thing. Look at that. SWITCHFLUX. Put that on a key ring. That's nice. And there's your inputs for your SD card and mini SD, or micro SD, I should say. And that side is USB-C. And this side is USB 3.0. You can tell by that little blue thing. Alrighty. That's all there is to it. Out of that box, let's go ahead and plug it in, see if it works. And since I got that with my little mini travel computer, that's why I got this, to make it a little easier on me, a little compact. Even though this one does have a micro SD reader here, it does not have a regular SD card reader, which I need for my big camera. So hopefully this will work. Let's find out. Okay, let's go ahead and plug this in. We do the USB-C. Okay, didn't read anything yet because I'm assuming that's simply because there is nothing actually in the reader. Now this is a high-speed chip, 300 megabytes per second, 256 gigabyte chip. And it does have, because it's high speed for video, it does have that double reading. So let's see if it'll work here. Okay, does it go in that way? Let's see if it goes in upside down. Yep, goes in upside down. It says it's reading it. It has a little blue light on it. Open up the folders, see if there's, oh, EOS digital. It does read it. Okay, there it is. Just out of curiosity, let's see if the micro works. That one goes up. Yep. And there it goes. It does read it. Awesome. That's what I want to see. Let's open this thing up and see what we got here. Yep, we got it, and it works. So just out of curiosity, let's see if it works in the USB 3.0 plug. It opens up. And it does read it. Alrighty. I'm happy with that. Oh, by the way, that was a 512 gigabyte SD card. Micro SD card. So we know it reads at least up to that. And that's it. So I do hope you like this. And this thing comes in handy. It's going to be very handy for me, especially on the trips when we do our longer excursions, because each day I do come back to the hotel and I make sure it's on the drive and the backup drive and all that good stuff. That about does it for this unboxing. And as always, have a great day.